This might be the coolest summer gadget I've seen this year. At first, it looks like a normal bottle, but it's actually a powerful cordless blender. This is the Ninja Blast Max. Press one button, and it crushes everything in seconds. The crazy part? There are no wires. You can literally make smoothies anywhere. And honestly, the ice crushing looks super satisfying. But then I found this. A magic slushy cup. Freeze the cup, pour any drink inside, squeeze it for a few minutes, and somehow it turns it into slush. No electricity, no blender. And finally, this snow cone machine. Drop ice inside, and it instantly turns it into fluffy snow-like ice. Not normal crushed ice, actual soft snow texture. The machine is insanely fast, super satisfying to watch, and honestly perfect for summer drinks and desserts. Add syrup on top and it looks insanely satisfying. But honestly, the Ninja Blender is still my favorite. Which one would you actually use? All product links are in the description. Subscribe for more crazy gadgets and viral tech.